To begin, we will need any multiple of 4 plus 3. So here I have a chain of 16 plus 3, so a total of 19. And then to get started, we will be single crocheting starting in the second chain from the hook. So there's 1 and 2. Insert your hook into the second chain and draw up a loop. You should have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through. So just single crochet in each and every chain all the way across, and I will meet you back at the end of this row. So here I am at the end of row 1. After you're done with your row, just chain 1 and turn. And to begin row 2, you're going to yarn over and insert your hook into the first stitch, pull up loop. You should have 3 loops on your hook, draw through the first 2 and draw through the next 2. So this is a double crochet row, so all you're going to do is double crochet in each stitch all the way across, and I will meet you back at the end of row 2. So here we are at the end of row 2. To begin the next row, chain 1 and turn. So now we'll be working our first front post treble crochet, and so you're going to go back to the first row and count 3 stitches in. So there's 1, 2, and 3. And we will be working around the third single crochet of row 1. So yarn over twice, insert your hook from front to back and back to the front. This is called a front post. You're going to yarn over, and now you should have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, and yarn over, pull through the last 2. So that's your first front post treble crochet. After you've completed it, we will skip 1 stitch, which is the very first stitch of the row. It is the stitch that your treble crochet would have gone into. Skip that, and into the next stitch, single crochet. And you're also going to single crochet in the next 2 stitches. Once you have 3 single crochet, we will be working our first front post treble 2 together. So yarn over twice, and we'll be working around the same post that we just worked into. So insert your hook, draw up a loop. You should have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. And you want to leave this unfinished because now we will work another incomplete treble. So count 3 stitches from row 1, 1, 2, and 3. And into the 4th stitch, you're going to yarn over twice, insert your hook from front to back and back to the front again, draw up a loop, and work a treble crochet. Once you have 2 incomplete front post treble crochets, you should have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through all 3. And that's what it should look like. So now we are going to skip 1 stitch, and then into the following stitch, single crochet, and single crochet in the next 2 stitches as well. So you will have 3 single crochets separating each of your treble crochets. So now we will work around the last post we just worked into right here. Yarn over twice, insert your hook around the same post, and make an incomplete treble crochet. And remember to leave it unfinished. You should have 2 loops left on your hook. Yarn over twice, skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, and 3, and into the 4th stitch, insert your hook from front to back and back again to the front. So yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and lastly, yarn over and pull through all 3. And remember to skip 1 stitch and single crochet in the next 3 stitches. So just make that all the way till the end of the row, and I will meet you back once we are at the last 2 stitches. As you can see, we are now approaching the end of the row, and on row 1 you should have 3 stitches left. If you flip it to the bottom, it's a little easier to see. 1, 2, and 3. And on row 3, you should have 2 more stitches left. And so to finish off the row, we're going to make 1 front post treble crochet, around the last stitch that we just worked into. So insert your hook and make 1 full treble crochet. And you're going to skip that stitch and single crochet in the last stitch. So this is the end of row 3. And to begin row 4, we will chain 1 and turn. And row 4 is a double crochet row, so go ahead and put 1 double crochet in the first stitch and work 1 double crochet in each stitch across all the way to the end. And I will meet you back once we are done with this row. So after row 4, chain 1 and turn. And now to start row 5, we will single crochet in the first 2 stitches. So this is the first stitch and the second stitch. And now we will front post treble crochet 2, working around the post that we made from 2 rows behind. So insert your hook behind the treble crochet from 2 rows earlier and make an incomplete treble crochet. Remember, do not finish it. You're going to yarn over twice again and work into the next post. Insert your hook behind both of the posts, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Once you have 2 incomplete treble crochets, pull through all 3. And that's what it should look like. So skip 1, single crochet in the next 3 stitches. So from now on, we will be working all of our treble crochets directly behind the post from 2 rows earlier. You're going to yarn over twice, insert your hook behind both of the treble crochet posts right here. You're going to draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2 more. You should have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over twice, and into the next set of posts, insert your hook and draw up a loop. Pull through 2 and pull through 2 and yarn over and pull through all 3. And once again, skip 1 stitch and single crochet in the next 3. I'll show you one last time. We're going to yarn over twice, insert your hook behind both the posts, draw up a loop, and make your incomplete treble crochet. Once again, into the next set of posts, insert your hook, draw up a loop, and pull through 2 and pull through 2. You should have 3 loops on your hook and pull through all 3. So simply continue working this pattern until the end of your row, and you will stop when you have 3 stitches left. So here I have just completed my last treble crochet 2 together. We're going to skip 1 stitch, and in the last 3 stitches put 1 single crochet in each one. So 1, 2, and 3. And that is the end of row 5. And you can probably guess by now, row 6 is a double crochet row. So put 1 double crochet in each stitch across, and I will meet you back at the end of this row. So here we are at row 7, and this is a repeat of row 3, but now we will be working directly behind the post. So yarn over twice, insert your hook behind both the treble crochet posts, and make 1 treble crochet. And we're going to skip the first stitch and single crochet in the next 3 stitches. So there's 1, 2, and 3. So from now on, we will be working front post treble crochet 2 together all the way across the row. So yarn over twice and working into the stitch you just worked into, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. And now into the next set of front post treble crochet, we're going to insert our hook again and make 1 incomplete treble crochet. Once you have 3 loops on your hook, go ahead and yarn over and pull through all 3. and we're going to skip 1 stitch and single crochet into the next 3 stitches. So just continue working this pattern until you reach the end of the row. So here I am approaching the end of row 7. I have 2 stitches left. We're going to make 1 front post treble crochet around the last stitch. So make a full treble crochet, skip 1 and single crochet into the last stitch. And that is it. So you're going to continue working this pattern until you reach your desired section 1 length. For me, that was about 15 rows.